today my topic of discussion is Probit Analysis. So simply let's go through its content. I will be telling you about what is Probit Analysis, what are assumptions of Probit Analysis, what are its examples, what is the use of Minitab, what is difference between Minitab and SPSS, what are steps of Probit Analysis, and in last I will interpret the results for you. So simply, what is Probit analysis? It is method of analyzing the relationship between a stimulus and the response. The stimulus can be in the form of dose and response can be in the form of all or nothing. It is specialized regression model of binomial response variable. A binomial response variable has generally two outcomes. It also study effects of one or more independent variable on a dichotomous dependent variable. If we want to check the effectiveness of toxicity of pesticide, it will comes either in the form of death or no death. Secondly, in a particular cricket match, if we want to check the result of flipping of a coin, the result will be either in the form of heads or in the form of tail. So simply, what are its assumptions? Firstly, our data should be normally distributed, observation should be independent, and we can also compute LD50 and LD95 by using it. These are simply the lethal dosage values, and we can also compute unknown value by using Probit analysis. What are examples of Probit analysis? Firstly, there is Elon Musk experiment on Tesla armor glass of Cybertruck. Second is of effect of diatomaceous earth on antils. I will be discussing these examples briefly when I go through Probit analysis of performance on a Minitab. So simply, what is use of Minitab? Minitab is a data analysis software that is used for analysis of data. To perform Probit analysis, it is preferred over SPSS, and it has short number of steps. Firstly, we go on stat command, then we click on reliability survival, and then we click on Probit analysis. So let's see the difference between Minitab and SPSS. So Minitab is a analysis software that interpret the data in the form of calculation, and it helps in creation of graphs. On the other hand, statistical package for social sciences is a powerful tool that is generally used in social sciences. It helps in analyzing and better understanding of data in order to solve complex business problems. So let's go through his examples. So we have examples of Elon Musk experiment. As we know that Elon Musk is a renowned American billionaire. He performs an experiment in order to check the Tesla armor glass compatibility. He uses metallic ball in the form of stress and check whether the Tesla glass breaks or not. He then applies Probit analysis to find relationship between force and breaks. He makes three columns that are in the form of stress, n in the number of vehicles, and breaks are actually the number of events that occurs. So generally he take different forces and checks whether breakage of Tesla armor glass takes place or not. So simply then we go on stat command, we click on reliability survival, and in the last we click on Probit analysis. The next command comes in front of us. We put breaks in number of events, in number of trials. We put n, that are number of vehicles or Tesla armor Cybertrucks that are being used in the experiment, and in the stimulus we put the stress that is in the form of force. So simply the results come in front of us. First, there is response information. In events there are 12 number of vehicles, in non-event there are 48 vehicles, and total 60 vehicles are used in the experiment. Then regression table comes in front of us. This is very important table as it tells us about the p-value that comes as 0.001, that is generally lesser to our assumed value of 0.005. so it depicts that the stress in the form of force has a statistical significant effect on the breakage of Tesla armor glass. So next we have goodness of fit test, and in the last we see the table of percentile through which we can compute our LD50, LD95 values. So simply if we see the LD50 table, the force that Elon Musk uses is around the range of 652.623 to 938.312 Newton. That is precisely 707.530 Newton. So he is assured that at the force of 707.530 Newton, 50% of his glasses will be broken. So simply next we have the graphical representation of the experiment, as Probit analysis shows results in the form of graphs. So simply we can say that Probit analysis is used to estimate the effects of one or more independent variable on a dichotomous dependent variable, and we can also find the unknown value by using Probit analysis. Bundle of thanks.